Meaning of cash. Cash is a noun meaning money in the form of coins or notes, paper money. It can also be used as a verb meaning to exchange something for money. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. I paid for the groceries in cash. 2. Do you have any cash on you? 3. The shop accepts only cash, no cards. 4. He withdrew some cash from the ATM. 5. She always keeps extra cash in her wallet. 6. Can I cash this check at the bank? Verb. 7. They gave a cash reward to the winner. 8. I need cash for the taxi. 9. He counted the cash carefully. 10. She prefers cash over digital payment.